What is earnings per share, EPS? Earnings per share, EPS, is calculated as a company's profit divided by the outstanding shares of its common stock. The resulting number serves as an indicator of a company's profitability. It is common for a company to report EPS that is adjusted for extraordinary items and potential share dilution. The higher a company's EPS, the more profitable it is considered. Hi. I am Kate, and in this video I will tell you everything about capital gains. Before proceeding, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. It will motivate me to create more informative videos for you, and you will be able to be notified when I upload these videos. Formula and calculation for EPS. The earnings per share value are calculated as the net income, also known as profits or earnings, divided by the available shares. A more refined calculation adjusts the numerator and denominator for shares that could be created through options, convertible debt, or warrants. The numerator of the equation is also more relevant if it is adjusted for continuing operations. To calculate a company's EPS, the balance sheet and income statement are used to find the period-end number of common shares, dividends paid on preferred stock, if any, and the net income or earnings. It is more accurate to use a weighted average number of common shares over the reporting term because the number of shares can change over time. Any stock dividends or splits that occur must be reflected in the calculation of the weighted average number of shares outstanding. Some data sources simplify the calculation by using the number of shares outstanding at the end of a period. Why EPS is important. The earnings per share metric are one of the most important variables in determining a share's price. It is also a major component used to calculate the price to earnings (P/E) valuation ratio, where the E in P/E refers to EPS. By dividing a company's share price by its earnings per share, an investor can see the value of a stock in terms of how much the market is willing to pay for each dollar of earnings. EPS is one of the many indicators you could use to pick stocks. If you have an interest in stock trading or investing, your next step is to choose a broker that works for your investment style. Comparing EPS in absolute terms may not have much meaning to investors because ordinary shareholders do not have direct access to the earnings. Instead, investors will compare EPS with the share price of the stock to determine the value of earnings and how investors feel about future growth. That's all for this video. Please subscribe our channel by clicking the subscribe button below. Thanks for watching.